Using the Stevens digital training is simple, so today I will show you how to use the training system to collect your first training certificate. Once you have logged into the Stevens portal, you can find your courses by hovering over the My Courses menu here. Just select the course you'd like to start. I will choose Basic Stock Management. Here, you can see the course screen for your Basic Stock Management course. Stevens courses are split into modules to keep the course simple and manageable. You can see each module throughout the course. To start your first module, you will select the training video in your desired module. You can identify the videos by the small green icon just next to them. I will choose Stock Receive Training Video. Once this is loaded, you can proceed to watch the video by clicking the play button here. Please note, if you wish to gain your Stevens training certificate, you will need to watch the full video. Now, once you have finished, you can click here to move on to the next module's video. Once you have watched all of the videos within your module, you will notice a small blue tick next to each video on the course screen. Now you have completed the course, you can collect your certificate. So, just scroll down to the bottom of the course page to receive your certificate section. Then just click the certificate link with the small purple icon next to it, shown here. Now, on the next page, to receive your certificate, just click the button here to download your certificate. If you cannot access the certificate, please ensure you have watched all of the module videos within this course.